Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential process of setting up an approval workflow specifically for inventory adjustments in NetSuite. If you've ever found yourself questioning how to efficiently manage inventory changes or ensure that these adjustments are properly approved, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's explore some key features of the approval workflow for inventory adjustments. Custom approval paths. Tailor the workflow to fit your organization's approval hierarchy and ensure the right people are in the loop. Real-time notifications. Receive instant notifications when approvals are needed, keeping your workflow seamless and timely. Audit trail. Maintain a comprehensive record of all adjustments and approvals, aiding in compliance and accountability. Integration with other workflow processes. Easily integrate inventory adjustments with other business processes in NetSuite, promoting collaboration across departments. User-friendly interface. Navigate through the user-friendly setup process that requires minimal technical knowledge, allowing you to implement the workflow effortlessly. And there you have a complete setup for your approval workflow in NetSuite. In this guide, we'll show you how to set up approval workflows for inventory adjustments in NetSuite. Let's dive right in. Go to Transactions, Inventory, Adjust Inventory. The status for adjustments will show as pending approval. Set up the approval workflow, navigate to Customization Workflow Inventory Adjustment Approval. Click on the state titled Pending Approval. Under the State subtab, click Add to create an approval action. Set the type, condition, and label. Click Add again to create a rejection action. Condition and label. On the approval arrow symbol, set the condition. User role equals Fin Inventory Manager. Add the Approve button. Under Set Field Value, confirm. Field Status for approval. Selection Approved. On the rejection arrow symbol, set the condition. User role equals FINMM Inventory Manager. Add the Reject button. Under Set Field Value, confirm. Field Status for approval. Selection Rejected. Change role to FINMM Inventory Manager. Once in the Inventory Manager role, navigate to Inventory, Adjust Inventory. Fill in the mandatory fields. Subsidiary, Canada. Adjustment account. Accounts, receivable item. Fill the item. Location. And adjust the quantity to 100. Click Add and Save. Once saved, click Approve. The status will update to Approved. Go back to the Inventory Adjustment page. Now, fill in the necessary details just as we did before, including the subsidiary, adjustment account, item, location, and adjust the quantity. Set the quantity to 50, then add and save. Click Reject. The status will update to Rejected. We have successfully added approval workflows for inventory adjustments in NetSuite. To wrap things up, adding an approval workflow for inventory adjustments can significantly enhance your inventory management processes and ensure that every change is verified by the right personnel. By implementing these features, you'll not only improve accuracy, but also accountability within your organization. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.